Today we are going on a boat tour to Phi Phi Leh and Inouye Bay. This boat trip takes you to some of Phi Phi's most popular attractions, such as Inouye Bay, Phi Leh Lagoon, and Monkey Beach. This is our boat. This boat trip cost us 2,000 baht for a 3.5-hour private tour. For the 6 of us, that came out to 333 baht, or about $10 per person. Arrived at our first stop, Monkey Beach. You can literally see monkeys just walking around here at this beach. This is so amazing, not just for the monkeys, but also for the cliff views. It's insane. Overall, Monkey Beach is definitely worth a quick stop, so make sure your tour includes it. Time to get back on the boat. Welcome to the beautiful Inouye Bay. Inouye Bay is probably one of the most famous places in all of Thailand. There's a 400 baht entrance fee for adults and 200 baht for kids. This place actually used to be super crowded and it was shut down due to over-tourism. Just this year they've reopened it and there are barely any people on this beach. This is literally the least crowded it has been in the past decade. Now we've arrived at our third and final stop to swim and snorkel. We snorkeled just outside the entrance of Phi Leh Lagoon, but if you do this boat trip, make sure you have plenty of time to go in the lagoon and snorkel there because it's absolutely stunning. And now we finally made it back. The next morning, we decided to wake up extra early for a sunrise hike. We have made it to the top of the Phi Phi Island Viewpoint. There's Flash. Now, I know this was a short video, so I want to give you a few more tips for visiting the Phi Phi Islands. First, make sure to book your hotel in the center of town and not on the outskirts of the island. We made this mistake for our first night in Phi Phi, and even though the hotel said it's only a 15-minute walk to town, it's really easy to get lost in all the alleys, especially at night. Another thing to be aware of is that it's not always sunny in Phi Phi. On our first day, we had to stay in our hotel room the entire morning because it was pouring rain outside. Being near the equator, Phi Phi has a rainy season and a dry season, so try to plan around that. Aside from those two things, you don't really have to plan much else in advance. Phi Phi is a really easy island to travel, and you can book boat tours to Phi Phi Leh at countless shops around the island. There are lots of great options for cheap street food, and for the boat tours you can definitely negotiate. And now I'm gonna leave you with some drone shots of the crystal blue water from our last afternoon in Phi Phi.